Social Studies Test 2. Please write your name, the date, and class period. Remember, you can pause this at any time. Question number 1. What would you find in a rural community? A. Water park. B. Tall buildings. C. Farms. D. Subway. Question number 2. A blank is where one person has complete control of all decisions made in a country. A. Republic. B. Dictatorship. C. Parliament. D. Supreme Court. Question number 3. A blank is where people vote for representatives to make decisions for them. Is it A. Separation of powers? B. Representative democracy? C. Checks and balances? Or D. Dictatorship? Question number 4. Which type of government allows the greatest participation by ordinary citizens in the process of government decision making? Is it A. Dictatorship? B. Monarchy? C. Democracy? D. Totalitarian? Question number 5. Everyone, including the people who make the rules or laws, must obey them. Constitution, statement of rights, or other laws set limits on how much power government officials have so they cannot take advantage of people. From World Cultures of Geography. Question number 5. Which type of government is described in this excerpt? Is it A. Limited? B. Absolute monarch? C. Totalitarian? Or D. Dictatorship? Question number 6. Which type of unlimited government has a religious leader as their ruler? Is it A. Democracy? B. Republic? C. Theocracy? Or D. Constitutional monarchy? Question number 7. Which phrase best describes a limited government like a democracy? Is it A. Rule by one? B. Rule by force? C. Rule by many? Or D. Rule by few? Remember, you can pause this at any time. Question number 8. A government in which the leaders do not follow the same laws as the people is called A. Unlimited government. B. Republic. C. Limited government. Or D. Limited monarchy. Question number 9. What type of government does the United States have? Is it A. Limited? B. Dictatorship? C. Theocracy? D. Constitutional monarchy? Question number 10. A form of government in which the leader has absolute power and authority. Is it A. Dictatorship? B. Rights? C. Limited government? Or D. Oligarchy? Question number 11. A government by the people and for the people is what type of government? Is it A. Monarchy? B. Democracy? C. Dictatorship? Or D. Theocracy? Question number 12. Humans must change or get used to the climate, landforms, vegetation, and natural resources around them. Is it A. Adaptation? B. Modification? C. Urbanization? Or D. Irrigation? Question number 13. Refers to cities and areas. Is it A. Human migration? B. Agriculture? C. Irrigation? D. Urban? Question number 14. The supply of water to land or crops to help grow. Is it A. Agriculture? B. Irrigation? C. Urban? Or D. Rural? Remember, you can pause this video at any time. Question number 15. The Aswan Dam was built in Egypt for flood control, hydroelectric power, and irrigation. This is an example of blank. Is it A, adaptation, B, energy, C, concentration, or D, modification? Question number 16. Agriculture is blank or the growing of food. Is it A, ecosystem, B, farming, C, irrigation, or D, organism? Question number 17. Which of the following is not an example of a civic responsibility? Is it A, obeying the law, B, voting, C, paying taxes, or D, taking care of yourself? Question number 18. Which of the following is a civic responsibility? Is it A, paying taxes, B, voting, C, participating in government, or D, volunteering in your community? Question number 19. Blank provides everyone equal protection of the laws. Is it A, natural rights, B, fundamental rights, C, charter rights, or D, human rights? Question number 20. Blank is the concentration of people from rural to urban areas. Is it A, irrigation, B, urbanization, C, adaptation, or D, modification? Remember, you can pause this at any time. Please go back and look at your notes, at your answer key. Make sure that when you look at your answer key, it matches to what you circled on your test. If you made any changes, please make sure that you blank out, that you erase the answer key properly. Good luck. Take your time and double check your answers.